one of the things that takes our customers the most time is managing their logistics movement. So, you get inventory requests that come in, trying to understand where is the most efficient place to move the inventory that's been requested from. So it's not always going to be that you want to move it from the warehouse. Sometimes there's going to be inventory that exists in the field that's closer, that's maybe more efficient to use, or maybe you have slow moving inventory and it doesn't really matter how close it is. It just matters that it's been sitting with a rep or a distributor for too long and you want to get it to somebody who's going to use it. So what we've done is in our movement section in the request page, you'll notice, we've got inventory requests here that can be fulfilled. If you look in, we have some new reports, and so this partially fulfilled request, the one I'm going to talk about right now though is inventory utilization and optimization. So if we click on this, you're going to get a visual report here. It's going to show you how many open requests you have, the number of unique catalog numbers. But the most important and I think powerful thing here is this table. So this table is going to show you not only who's requested what they've requested, the lot number, you're also going to see though here, you're seeing custodians that have matching inventory, the quantity of the matching inventory that they have. And then this is the really powerful part. You can see how far away that custodian is from the person who requested the matching inventory. So you can see, we can map this by distance, we can map this by days held. That means how long have they had this inventory in their possession since the time it was transferred to them, and then days since last use. And so this becomes powerful. Days since last use is powerful, especially for kitted inventory, because you will see the kit and then the days since that kit has been assigned to an event. So effectively, how many days since it's last turned. You can filter this, and so I want to show me, everything that is the shortest distance, and this goes by zip code. So the users have to have their zip code defined, and then it's going to basically show you how close is the closest inventory. And so we've got these here basically represent null values. It means that the user's zip code hasn't been defined. But if you start scrolling down, you're going to see, these are 0 miles. These are users who are in the same zip code as the person who's requesting. So that could just be a courier trip, right? You can also say, show me how long this user has had the inventory in their custody. So now I'm looking at, here I've got this is an interesting match. They've had this in their custody for 516 days and they're only 5 miles away. So maybe that's the one that I want to do for this inventory request 183, is I transfer this inventory from this particular user to this one on request ID 183. So again, it's a pretty powerful report that gives you the ability to see how your inventory that exists out in the field is actually being used and managed, so that you can make better decisions about what you should move, because it may not always be that you want to move it from the warehouse into the field.